So hey YouTube, what's going on? MC Seth here behind the camera. Today we've got a quick unboxing video. We got this lovely Huawei Mate 20 Lite. I got it today because I just needed a new phone, because you guys know this Sony, I was going to call it a Nokia then, this Sony Z5 is a bit of a potato at the moment. It just decides when it's going to work and when it's being quite friendly at the moment, and it does a good video, but the sound, as you probably hear, is terrible. Anyway, this is what you get inside the actual delivery parcel, but let's unbox this beast. I've already chopped the old void sticker to make it a lot easier to get out the box with one hand. Oh yeah, look at that. That's fancy. We'll just put that to the side 1 second. I want to see what... What is that? I was excited about that, but a bit disappointed now. So I've got a screen protector, a couple of bits of paperwork. Oh, we've got a white charger. I've always had black, you see, because I've either had Nokia or Sony. So yeah, there we go. It's nice to have a little... What have we got here then? Oh, is that USB-C? I'll have to find out. I wonder how many amps this thing kicks out. It'd probably be 2.1 knowing these phones these days. There you go. 2 amps or 9 volts, 2 amps, yeah. So that's cool. We've got a strong plug, because you know how bad it gets when you get a piece of shit. Oh, I was under the impression that this phone had no headphone socket, so that's promising. It's promising as hell, yeah. So now we'll just move straight onto the beast. What have I just dropped? Bit of rubbish there. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Oh wow. So I was worried about this being... It is a little bit larger than my Z5. I'm not going to make a comparison because... Oh, you can slightly see the Z5 in the reflection there. But it doesn't give you any perspective. So it's quite large. I have quite a large hand. So, and it fits like that. So it's kind of comfortable. And it's got the 2 lenses on there. It's pretty good, you know. That is pretty good. This my camera is not responding on my phone, so I just have to click that message away, because obviously it is, because I'm recording with it. It's one of the reasons I need a new phone, and the temperature that this thing gets to is ridiculous as well. One of the things about having your phone as a sat-nav always sat in the sun. So yeah, let's see how long this Huawei lasts. And the thing that made me buy it was it come with a free Nintendo Switch. I was about to say Nintendo Wii then, but yeah, Nintendo Switch. So I've got one of those on the way, so look out for an unboxing of a Nintendo Switch in the future, and some gameplay as well. Pretty excited about that. Anyways, for now, peace.